Hey friends, it's time for our April community update, and it's a short one. There are just two things I want to talk about, and one is if you're in the Denver area, I do have a very special meditation class coming up at the end of the month, and we're going to do blindfolded meditation, and it's a very special and powerful method for helping us see how our egos work moment by moment, and shows us why they might not be reflecting reality. And that'll actually boost your normal meditation practice a great deal. So if you're curious, just go to the class page at MindPossible.com. The other big announcement is my birthday's coming up, and I'm just doing something crazy, and normally my online courses are $99, but I just want to get it out there, so I'm selling each individual course for only $5. $5. So if you're interested or have any friends who might be interested, this is a rare opportunity. You can learn telekinesis, remote viewing, lucid dreaming, and out-of-body experiences, or my complete meditation program. Each one of those for only $5. And the code for any one of those courses is opportunity, and you would just go to mindpossiblecourses.com, and at checkout, that's where you'd put in the code opportunity to pay only $5. So that's good until April 15th. And that's really all I have to announce this month. I have a lot of stuff going on later on in the year, but I'll wait till later to tell you about that. Okay, hope you're well. Bye-bye.